191 species in genus Sideritis. My journey into the world of Sideritis. I've always been fascinated by the natural world, especially the diverse and often surprising realm of plants. Recently, my curiosity led me down a fascinating path to explore the genus Sideritis, a group of flowering plants more commonly known as ironwort, mountain tea, or shepherd's tea. These names hint at the historical significance of these plants, their preferred habitat, and their traditional use as a soothing beverage. What started as a simple inquiry blossomed into a deep dive into the world of Sideritis. I found myself engrossed in botanical databases, poring over ancient texts, and even trying my hand at cultivating a few species in my own garden. The more I learned, the more captivated I became by these resilient plants and their rich history. A diverse genus with a shared heritage. Sideritis belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae, and boasts a wide array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and distribution. While they share a family resemblance with their minty cousins, Sideritis species often sport woolly, grayish leaves and vibrant, yellow flowers that cluster in a distinctive whorled pattern. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty flower, the allure of Sideritis extends far beyond its visual appeal. For centuries, various cultures have recognized the value of these plants, particularly for their medicinal properties. Traditional uses range from treating minor ailments like coughs and colds to more serious conditions like digestive issues and inflammation. Modern research is beginning to validate some of these traditional uses, with studies indicating potential antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory activities in certain Sideritis species. One of the most popular ways to enjoy Sideritis is by brewing it into a tea. The resulting beverage has a pleasant, slightly earthy flavor with subtle floral notes. In countries like Greece and Spain, Sideritis tea is a staple, often enjoyed as a relaxing evening drink or a comforting remedy for minor ailments. Cultivating my own connection. Inspired by the resilience and versatility of Sideritis, I decided to try my hand at cultivating a few species in my own garden. I was delighted to find that these plants, while originating in the Mediterranean region, are adaptable to a variety of climates. With a little care and attention, I was able to successfully grow Sideritis scardica and Sideritis syriaca, their vibrant yellow blooms adding a touch of Mediterranean charm to my garden. Tending to my Sideritis plants has become a source of both enjoyment and learning. Observing their growth, harvesting their leaves for tea, and even experimenting with different brewing methods has deepened my appreciation for these remarkable plants. A continuing journey. My exploration of Sideritis has been a rewarding experience, opening my eyes to the interconnectedness of nature, culture, and history. I'm eager to continue learning about this fascinating genus, delving deeper into its taxonomy, medicinal properties, and cultural significance. Whether enjoyed as a soothing beverage, a source of medicinal benefits, or simply admired for its beauty, Sideritis offers a unique connection to the natural world. It's a connection I cherish and one I hope to share with others.